Welcome to my channel. What if I tell you that creating agents and connecting them to Telegram is all free? Watch. Z.ai has released this new interface here. And what is amazing about this interface is that you can now connect your Discord, your Slack, your WeChat or Telegram, which is actually coming soon, to your agent. You're going to define your agent right here. So you can look at the connectors. And apart from the connectors, you could see here within the dashboard here, you can create cron jobs that are going to be running using Z.ai own Sandbox without paying a dime. This is what is amazing. That means you can have something that looks like OpenClaw, but have it run on your browser. It's not as if Z.ai does not have a product that is paid. So as you could see here, this is their paid product. It is called AutoClaw. So it has kind of like a $6 subscription attached to it. So back to the chat window and look at AutoClaw. So AutoClaw is their paid assistance. I'm not being paid for this. It has a very low subscription, like $6. That means you don't have to worry about your subscription, how to connect. It's so easy with an intuitive interface. This is if you decide to go for the paid one. But as long as you want to stay free, you can create simple agents. I'm going to be showing you a practical example where I use the new Z.ai agent mode here to create an agent that will help me write a simple tutorial. So I'm going to be choosing the writing mode here, and I'm going to choose the type of writing that I want to do. I want to do a section by section writing. And what kind of writing I want to do? I want to write an academic paper. That's what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to choose section by section writing, or let's say research backed writing. So you see, and then I'm going to put academic paper, and then I'm going to choose this. Then I'm going to choose the format that I want the paper at the end of the day. This is unbelievable. So this is going to start writing the paper. I'm going to give it some time to finish. Then I'm going to come back to the video and show you what we were able to achieve completely free using the GLM 5.1. So as you could see, it's already creating the research phase here. It's gathering sources on MLX, Gwen 3.6 fine-tuning techniques, and then it is moving into doing the actual work. So I will see you when this is done. So as you could see here, this is the completed project. The introduction, a well-written research paper from beginning all the way to the end. As you could see, this is the end, even with references. You could see everything was created by this agent. And this is really amazing. So it has actually created a fine-tune with MLX and Gwen 3.6, the tricks and wins research paper for me, all done within a fraction of time. And also it was all done using the Z.ai web agent. So thank you for listening. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel and I will keep them coming.